Hi everyone, I'm showing you our new product 40-feet expandable container house in our factory today. It is 11.3 meter length, 6.3 meter width, and 2.5 meter height. First, you can see our high-strength hydraulic support to hold our two expansion parts. And the hole on the top is great help for unloading. Shutter window for the bathroom outlet on the bottom, and hot and cold water inlet, toilet outlet. Now I'm sending photos of our entrance. This 40-feet house is 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms designed. Also, our engineer can customize for your needs. Because the expandable parts in one piece was very heavy, our designers split the expandable parts in half to 2 pieces. So this problem was solved very well and can be opened up more easier. And this is our upstream window. It has better waterproof performance than the sliding window. Now we try to close and open it up. It is very convenient. Let's go inside to see what the interior environment is like. Now we are standing in the space of the living room, and then there is a reserved kitchen space at the back, where a cabinet with a wash basin can be placed. Our electrical system is pre-installed in our factory, including switches and sockets. The socket is 2 American standard sockets installed together, customized by the customer. And the switch controls the lights in the living room. Then you can see the more luxury parts. Our ceiling is 100mm glass wood and this wood decoration ceiling. The toilet is also installed in our factory in advance. So our house is very well finished. Then come into our first room. The electrical system is also installed in advance, including our windows. We will also provide you with an air conditioner socket. Then this is the partition wall between 2 rooms, which can be easily opened and folded. Other suppliers have to install it locally by the customer. Finally, let's follow the camera and take a look at the indoor environment as a whole.